Did I talk about a sensorial impact?
Yeah. Would you do that outside the classroom because you're going to
Make a mess.
and take it on another children, Ricky?
They will be really
Love it,
interested to
yeah.
do this.
Yeah.
A stack of plates costs about 50 cents from an op shop.
Exciting.
Would you go into like the connection of where the smashing of the plate comes from?
No. Look, I have smashed the plate and it has fractured. All of those pieces together make the whole, but each piece is a fraction of the whole. Right. Here we have a circle, and actually, I just want you to squash that really, really hard. Just squash it. Squash it. Hard. Bling! Look what you made. You squashed it into a circle. That's so cool. So this is one hole, and this is one hole. Okay?
Yeah.
Confusing in English, because it isn't a hole with a W. I mean, it is a hole with a W, but not a hole without a W. But anyway, we can handle it. This is one hole. Just cut that in half for me. Just break it in half. Break it in half. Break it in half. It's a bit hard to break in half. I've got one already broken here.
Okay. Totally.
This has got two pieces, two fractions of this whole broken out. Look. Together, they create a whole. Can you see that's the same?
Yeah.
These two pieces are exactly the same size. Put it like this. Put it like this. Yes?
Yeah.
They're the same, eh?
Yeah.
Sure. This is called half. This one has been cut into 3 pieces. These pieces are exactly the same size. Okay. And there are 3 pieces that are the same size as a whole. Cool.
Yeah.
This piece is exactly the same size as this piece. Okay. This one has been cut into 4 pieces. Four pieces. These pieces are exactly the same size. And 4 pieces make one whole. Okay. You put the hole on your head, the hole on the table, put a third on the back of your hand, put a quarter on your shoulder, put a half on your head, put a quarter on the table, put a third on the floor, put a half on the table, put a third on the table. What's this one say?
A whole. A quarter. A third. A half.
All good?
Yeah.
quite simple to look at, right, guys? Yeah?
Yeah.
You can imagine what happens next. We do a 3-period lesson on all of these guys.
Would you do them in order?
Which order? Just the first
Half.
2 or 3 to get the
Okay.
concepts. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quite similar.
Can you give me the 10th? Can you put the 10th on the table? Can you pass me the 8th? Can you feel your eyes in overdrive now?
Yeah.
Doing a lot of thinking. Remember, I've introduced them to her. I've done all that process. She knows that. Which is the smallest, the 10th or the 9th? 10th. So this is why I insisted on you doing your, because you can feel that they're different.
Yeah.
But they're quite subtly different. Yeah?
Mm.
That's quite a, you can't see, but it's a very subtle difference between these guys. Okay, pop them away. A 10th has got 10 pieces exactly the same, and an 8th has got 8 pieces exactly the same. A 7th has got 7 pieces exactly the same. And because you're 4 years old at this point, I'm going to get you to help me to make a fish. Oh, can you see my fish swimming along? You need some more fins, maybe we put some fins up here, swimming along. Put a nose if we want to, we can design. Okay,
Yeah.
nice. Some design. Draw around. Later when we do language, you'll understand how we would shade it so that they can understand. But they're familiar now with these pieces. They've been working with them a long time. They like them, they know them, they could order them. Can you put those in order, please? Would you like to check it? How would you check it?
Size of the rock.
Go on in. Yeah? All the same?
Yeah.
Good. Very nice. So, all good. We know we had the experience, we got the name, and we can add symbol. This is how we write a half. This is how we write a third. This is how many we've got. This is what type we have. Can you point to that, please? Point to the piece
Oh.
of material. Jolly good. Okay. This is how many we've got. This is how we write it down. Can you point to that, please? Where we go? Easy? So how to write them. Okay, pop all those away.